Hi everyone, it's the Glam Philosopher. This video is going to be a little bit different from the ones we usually do. As you can tell by the title, we are going to talk about confidence, and all of this which I will be mentioning in today's video is going to be my own opinion and an extension of what I think. In this video, we are going to talk about why you felt the need to go on an online platform and search for confidence for dressing yourself. First things first, let's understand what confidence is. Confidence, in my opinion, is not something that you can have or possess. It is just like an abstract concept. For example, love. It is said that when a human is in love, the chemical state of mind is very similar to that of being highly possessive. But we don't call love as possessiveness, do we? So what can love be called in a physical or chemical or biological way? The answer is it can't be called anything in those aspects because it is an abstract concept. It is a feeling. It exists only metaphysically. And just like that, confidence can also be called an abstract concept or a feeling. It has its identity fixed in metaphysicality. And because it is a feeling, it is very likely that after some point you might not have that feeling or you might not feel that feeling. Now that we know that confidence itself is not physical, how do we tackle the fact that it controls the physical? And so I want you to think what it means for you to be confident. Write it down on a piece of paper or just imagine what confidence means to you, because there is a high possibility that your definition of confidence is very different to that of someone else. Each and every person has a different meaning and feeling associated with confidence. So before you approach confidence as a concept, you need to define confidence in your own terms. Without defining what confidence means to you, it will be very difficult for you to understand what you're getting yourself into. Now, having said all of that, there are ways that confidence can be felt through physical or chemical or biological ways, and those ways are called triggers. And fashion in one way can be treated as a trigger for confidence. The first thing that might have come to your head might be power suits, power dressing, killer dresses, or things of same sort. I'm not saying start wearing power suits every day so you can feel more confident, but what I mean by that is when we talk about fashion or dressing, I'd like to say that we set intentions first when we get up each morning and decide what to wear. You think about what you're going to do throughout the day first before you decide what you want to wear for the day according to that. These intentions then set a cycle for the day, and you will only feel those feelings which you might have set for that day. And say, for example, you get a weird break in a cycle where you're taken for a formal event in your everyday clothing. That would be a complete nightmare, right? Now, the one secret I'm going to share with you is, since confidence is a feeling, it can be felt again. The only thing that one can control is the trigger for it. The only way for you to feel confident for long periods of time is, you guessed it, constantly trigger it. When you do this for long enough, you bring confidence as a feeling to a surface level where you can access it constantly. And that right there was a secret formula of how people who are perceived as confident always remain confident. Do you want a part 2? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video to keep seeing more videos like these, and subscribe and hit the bell notification if you haven't already to keep yourself in loop. Because here at TGP, we show you how to wear what you want when you want to start wearing what you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Well wishes until then. Bye.